Hi, everyone. Thanks for all those who are attending our Ocean Acidification Mediterranean Hub. I'm Abed ElRahman Hassoun, Abed from the Sandras of Lebanon, and I'm here to introduce our hub very briefly. Our hub is affiliated actually to the GOA-ON. And first of all, let's start with why are we interested in the Mediterranean? The interest in this unique sea did not start recently. It has took the attention of ancient civilizations who built their empires on its realms and used it in their economic roots, from Phoenicians to Pharaohs, Greeks, Romans who called it Marum Nostrum, our sea, to many other impactful Mediterranean civilizations. Contemporarily, as Mediterranean countries have been shaped, their economic activities have been also booming and blooming in terms of wideness and impact on the semi-enclosed Mediterranean, where so much Mediterranean communities rely on it, on its sea resources for their livelihoods, as the total annual revenue from fisheries alone, for example, is around $3.4 billion. And the majority of the fleet composition is formed of small-scale fishing, means vulnerable fishermen communities. But also the Mediterranean is the sea bridge between the west and the east through the Strait of Gibraltar and Dardanelles channels, and between the north and the south via the Suez Channel. So it is a maritime shipping hub, harvesting around 20% of seaborne trade, adding additional pressures on the Mediterranean Sea, such as rising CO2 emissions, pollution, marine litter, etc. In fact, the Mediterranean is under multiple climatic and non-climatic stressors, as mentioned by the recent MEDAC report that mentioned the effects of climate-related consequences, such as ocean acidification on marine ecosystems of the Mediterranean. Together with the 2 pilot projects in the Mediterranean and more than 350 publications about ocean acidification in the Med, which shows actually the necessity of better understanding this phenomenon that has been documented through major projects and publications. As ocean acidification is a global condition with local effects affecting the chemistry and the biology of the sea, GOA-ON has encouraged regional networks. As you can see, there are 7 regional hubs, 8 actually regional hubs. One of them is our Ocean Acidification Mediterranean Hub that gathers scientists who are interested in understanding chemical and biological ocean acidification aspects in the Mediterranean. We are so far 57 scientists from 10 countries trying to improve the communication between the Mediterranean ocean acidification members to better study and understand the ocean acidification and its consequences in the Mediterranean. For example, we have Lebanon, who have started the ship-based time series stations from 2012. Also France, with its various time series types of OA monitoring, like ship-based time series, mooring. Also Spain, the same. Greece, Turkey, Italy. We have also Egypt, Morocco, and 2 new entries, Slovenia and Algeria. But not only that, we are also a UN voluntary commitment, as we are trying to bridge the gaps of knowledge between science and ocean acidification diplomacy. But also we are trying to evolve. Many Mediterranean members are now involved in an IAEA-funded project to study the effects of ocean acidification on seafood, and running now a survey to relate between science and policy and public perception of ocean acidification. So we are trying to also bridge the gap between science and society. Not only that, we are trying also to give visibility to our hub in an impactful event such as this one in the high-level political forum, Ocean Acidification Week 2020, and this one, the 2021, Monaco Ocean Week 2021, that has been also a link between ocean acidification science and OA diplomacy in the Mediterranean, but also in scientific events like ASLO 2021, EGU, etc. So finally, regional hubs are crucial to understand local ocean acidification trends and effects. Thus, a continuous support is needed. Implementing UN SDG 14.3 is essential in protecting communities and livelihoods from the threat of a changing sea, such as the significant changing Mediterranean. OA actions not only to understand ocean acidification, but also to improve ecosystems' resilience against it are needed. It's time to act now to protect the most vulnerable communities who rely on marine and coastal resources. So check out more about us on the social media accounts, and we are open for discussions on the Ocean Acidification Information Exchange website. Thank you so much.